let's take a quick look at first day in pocket on this Kaiser Begleiter Mini. I had just done here recently the Begleiter 2, the full size. So I got the Mini in and I think I like it better. But let's not get too far into it. You guys know what time it is. Turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Behind me is Jelly Marble Runs. This is an incredibly great channel. I love to watch it. I don't watch much sports anymore, but I definitely will find time to watch this. I don't know why. It's so entertaining. So support the channels you love. I can't send him any money, but I can send you guys his direction to check out his channel. So this is the Kaiser Begleiter Mini. This is a nice little knife that Jared sent me. I put it in my pocket this morning. It is... what time is it? 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning? It's 2:45 in the afternoon. I put this in my pocket about 8 o'clock this morning when I got up. So I think I like this better than the full-size Begleiter. So we'll see how that plays out. It does have something with it that kind of does bother me, but it's a me thing. It hits one of those little things that I don't like. So yeah, guys, not to pontificate any further, let's turn this around and take a good quick look at the first day in pocket of the Kaiser Begleiter Mini. Guys, the Begleiter Mini. Now, I'm going to do some research on this and find out if this is the Begleiter Mini 2 or if it's the Begleiter Mini. I don't remember a Begleiter Mini. This is a Kaiser. I do have a couple of small issues with this knife. We'll get to that in a second, but let's take a quick look at it. So you're looking at micarta, N690 blade, done in almost... What's going on out there? Sorry about that. Like I was saying, it's a blade shape kind of reminiscent of the Benchmade 940. This is more of a Wharncliffe or a Sachs-esque blade than that. But I mean, some people would call that a reverse Tonto. I have been using this morning. I have noticed a couple small things. Let's go ahead and get the negative things out of the way. There's a bit of a rattle in it, and I don't know. I'm not sure what it is that's rattling in there, but when you take the tension, you can hear a little bit of a rattle. There is no blade play, so I think that's something inside. I think when the tension comes off the bearings, you can hear the bearing races rattle a little bit. Goes away when it locks, goes away when it's closed. I think it's just tension. With the lock bar sitting like that, it's taking tension off the bearings. I don't like the way that sounds because I can feel it and hear it. That's just a personal, 100% a personal thing. And the other thing is, this knife's enough smaller than some of the other knives. These size knives, holy crap, Mike, hang on just a second. I need my head straight. Wow. So what I was saying is knives this size, typically for me, because I'm a big guy, when I sit down, it pushes them up a little bit, and then they have a tendency to walk from like back towards your hip towards the front where your zipper on your pants is, on your pocket. Not such a big deal. It's just I've noticed that it does. Nice thin blade, like I said, N690. I am going to have to sharpen this. I hit it up. So when knives come in like this, I did hit it up on a ceramic rod that I keep here for that purpose, ceramic rod, so that I can just touch the edge up, because Jared always tells me, he's like, I don't know how sharp those knives are. Action on it seems great. It's a really, really good size for a small, like, office duty pocket knife. The fact that you have a fairly straight edge, and then that area there you can get up on it and cut, gives you a good bit of control. This is a nice small knife. I honestly think, to tell you the truth, oh my goodness, sorry about that, caused a mic quake. I honestly think that I like this better than I like the full-size Begleiter. I honestly think this is more comfortable in my hand. I definitely like this Mini better than the full size. So we're going to give it a few days in pocket. I did do a little bit of cutting this morning. Pocket clip on this does not have a real significant wiggle to it. The thumb stud action is great. Finish on, like I said, on the micarta and everything's really good. Nice ample area for you to get in there and disengage your lock bar. Action on this,
like I said, with the exception of that little bit of sound when the lock bar is kind of just sitting on the detent ball, that little bit of a rattle you get, the action on it's amazing. Nice and clean, a little bit of jimping and everything. So we're going to carry this for, we'll carry this for a while and see how things play out. I have a lot of other knives you're going to see some first impressions on so that we can get through these and then do the reviews and get these out to Jared. I have a couple knives that are going to revisit, and we're going to get to see this ProTech. So just a little heads up, guys, on that. You're going to get some shorter videos because I have to do these first day in pockets so that I can actually carry. All right, guys, that's it. Let's turn this around, do some final thoughts.
Like I said, the Mini Begleiter 2. I don't know if this is a Begleiter 2. I'll have to look into that for the actual review. But this is a fun little knife. Only a couple little things I don't like about it. It does kind of walk around my pocket a little bit. And I think it's just because it's a smaller knife and it allows it to do that when I sit down and stand up. It just kind of flexes it. And that little bit of a rattle that's in the bearings that I hear, and it's not really an issue. I think that's just a me thing. So we'll see how it plays out. I'm gonna get this in my pocket, get in a rotation, carry it. I carry so many knives throughout any given day. I actually go pick up cardboard just to cut up cardboard and put it in my recycle box. So yeah, guys, that's it on this one. I'm going to try and get some longer content out to you guys, full reviews and things like that as soon as I get these on a rotation. But if you guys like the videos, do me a favor, please give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but you got to tell me why. I can't change content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, a lot of times it's as simple as sharing the channel with people that other people you think would enjoy it, like I did with Jelly's Marble Runs here, and I do in a lot of videos. I can't afford to send them money, but I can send you guys their direction. Same kind of thing. You're just sharing that content with people, and it broadens our subscriber base. If you do want to support the channel financially, however, there's a lot of ways you can do it. The best way for me is if you join a membership. It's on a monthly. You get early access to content on all the tiers. Baseline and premium tiers get exclusive content and access to the giveaways that I do monthly to the paying members. And the premium tier members get access to a sharpening tutorial series that I've been filming for them. There's other ways you can do it. I also have affiliate links down below that anything you purchase, even if it's not the item you clicked on, even if it's something like you clicked on a knife but you bought shampoo, I still get credit for that. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Amazon just gives me a portion of that sale. And the final way is I have a merchandise store down below where you can go to Ember Shirt Co. or my merch store. They're all on the same website, just different links. And I have a coupon code for you that works on all the entire Ember Shirt Co. gambit of all their little affiliate links and merch stores. And it's CrazySharp. Capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp, capital C, capital S. Saves you 10% at checkout. So guys, that's it. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comment section. It makes it easier to moderate. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.